Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel, Trendline Forex here. We had CPI yesterday, and that's exactly why we saw this massive drop here on gold, and not just on gold but pretty much across all pairs traded with the US dollar, right? We had very positive news for the US dollar, and a lot of market participants already know what's going to be the result of next week's news when we've got Fed interest rates, and that's why we saw such a big reaction here. Right now, if you are a subscriber of our channel, you already know that every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I share with you my point of view on the market, what the direction is, and I also share with you all the levels that I'm potentially looking to trade. Right, so that's why you should have already expected this right here, because on Monday, a couple of days ago, I shared a video on euro dollar, and we talked about this sell area right here, and that's when I said that this week we're going to be looking for a strong US dollar. Okay, so whoever managed to catch this move right here on euro dollar, on gold, or any other pair, really, well done to you, because our analysis played out very well, not just here, but like I said, on most of the majors as well, here on dollar Canadian, also on USD JPY, on gold, and not just in the forex market, but if you look at crypto, same thing again, right? This is Bitcoin. We had this sell area right here. We also had some Fibonacci levels lining up at the same levels. Price tapped into those levels and it then dropped massively to the downside. So again, that analysis played out very well. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so. Like I said, we share information like this pretty much every other day. So let's get back to gold. It's Wednesday today, and that's what we normally do. We look at gold, okay? So whoever managed to catch this move, like I said, well done. Make sure to move your stops to break even, and basically you can expect that the price will eventually continue lower, breaking below, all that support right here, and reaching the next targets, which we're going to talk about in a second. Whoever did not manage to get in during the news or before the news and is looking for trades right now, there's a couple of things that you need to be aware of. Right now, there's a lot of retail traders who are already pissed that they missed on that move and they want to get in right away. So what are they going to do? They think right now there's going to be a reversal, so they're probably going to take a buy trade, placing their stop losses down here below this structure. Well, if I have to be honest, I actually think that during London market open, which is in about a couple of hours time, I think we're going to see a continuation of this down move right here. We're going to see a retest of the support. We're probably going to leave some rejection wicks, just like we did the last couple of times when we tested that same support. So we're probably going to see values below 1690 or right around there, and then I think we're going to see that pullback happening. Right, and again, back to the retail traders mindset, a lot of them, they think they're gonna get a very decent setup, an easy one, so they're probably gonna be looking for a pullback all the way up here where we've got some structure. Right, we do have some structure here as well, and I actually have a sell zone, which is again based on Fibonacci levels and the way that I trade, or the way that we trade here on Trendline Forex. And this sell area is from the levels of around 1710 up to around 1718. As soon as I see price testing this level, or basically coming into this area, I'm going to be looking to take a sell trade. All right, of course, I'm going to need some further confirmation, and I'm basically going to be waiting for some rejection wicks, some engulfing candles, pin bars, anything really that you can use to give you a signal for a potential reversal. So inside of this area is basically where I'm going to be looking to take a sell trade. All right, if you are a very conservative trader and you want to make sure that you really don't miss this trade, well, you can open a sell trade right now, place your stop loss just above all that structure right here, and expect that, like I said, the market will eventually continue lower, breaking below that and reaching the next targets. But obviously this is a long-term trade, and it's not going to give you the best risk to reward ratio, okay? Because if you do wait for a pullback for a higher levels than we're currently trading at, then that's going to reduce your stop loss, and it's going to increase your take profit. Obviously, if the market comes all the way up here, breaking above, this impulse candle, then it doesn't make any sense to stay in a sell trade. But there's a much higher probability that we're actually going to continue in that downtrend. And why is that? It's because when you look at the higher time frames, we are in a pretty strong downtrend right here. Okay, we just finished a pullback, continued to the downside. If we do manage to get another pullback, then we're definitely going to be looking for a continuation down, and like I said, for the next target. Now, where are those next targets? Well, I've said that in the previous videos. So again, for those of you who have not subscribed yet, make sure to do so and follow those analyses, because I'm sharing very accurate predictions of price action. So we're looking at 1650 next, and then we've also got 1600. Okay, and it's not just because they're round psychological numbers, which in fact work in the markets, but it's also because they're based on the Fibonacci numbers as well, right? And this is a tool that we like to use in our trading on a daily basis, right? So like I said, you've got pretty much a couple of entries right here. You can open a trade right now, stops above that structure, wait for price to push down, or you can wait for a pullback and then look to enter a trade. You can then use aggressive stops just above the sell area. You can also use conservative stops above all that structure right here, right? Now, you need to be aware of where liquidity is. Like I said, there are going to be a lot of stop loss orders right here, and there are also going to be stop loss orders below, this support level. So that's why I think price is going to break below, those two. It's going to grab all that liquidity that stays in here, and it's then going to push up. Okay, and that's why we're going to be looking to take a sell trade. Now, obviously, on market open, we can easily see price pushing up immediately. Whatever the market does, we want to see price coming inside of this area, and that's where we're going to be looking to take a sell trade. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've been following those analyses and are they any helpful at all. And of course, if you want to learn how to trade the same way that we do here at Trendline Forex, if you want to be able to identify those high probability areas, reversal zones, if you want to find the best entries possible, if you want to know when the market reverses, how to spot that, how to see and spot trend continuation trades, all that good stuff, well, head over to our website trendlineforex.com and you will learn how to trade exactly the same way that we do. Right, so hopefully that helps. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last two videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.